You see, as we are proceeding further, we have mixed the 3.5% of this bituminous mix, and we have reached to the final conclusion that our mix is well coated. Now you see its temperature is also within the acceptable range of this compaction, and we will put this material into this Marshall mold, and we have already placed a paper inside this one, and now we will go on transferring this material into Marshall mold. As I have already said, the finer material will be put at the bottom. Then coarser material is being put in the middle. And again you see at the topping, again we are going to put this finer material because it will give us good shape. After transferring all this material into this Marshall mold, which I have already explained to you, it's along the perimeter 15 times. Now in the middle portion we have also split further the 10 times, and top surface we have made just like a cone, and we will again put one paper at the top. This paper work as an insulation because now when the compaction process is going on, then this our material will not get stick with the hammer. Now we will place in the automated machine because this machine is not a manual. It is a mechanical machine. Now you will see the 75 blows are mentioned over here. After locking, we will start it. And now we will start it. Now we will invert this one. Because 75 blow on one face is completed, and same after it is locked inside. Again we will start, and we will make the 75 number. The 75 blows on both sides are completed, and we will remove it. And we will remove this paper from both sides. And leave it to cool for certain duration of time. That but sometime it is taken as overnight cooling, and we will remove it after the overnight cooling because it had reached to its normal surrounding temperature. If we will remove it now, it will get T-shaped. That's why it's given full overnight cooling. And these are the Marshall specimen prepared at one particular our bitumen content 3.5%. Now further these sample will be taken for further analysis like density and void analysis, like stability and flow. that I will show you later.